Hey y'all, thanks for tuning in. Let's get into this quick makeup tutorial. Alright, so hey y'all, real quick, it's Friday night. Friday's my favorite day of the week. Well, let me say hey first. Some of y'all may know me, some of you all may not. You might just be tuning in, but I am Amber Nicole. Hey. Like I said, it's Friday night. I'm getting ready to go out. Friday's my favorite day of the week. I'm just gonna do a quick little hair makeup run through it. I have some adhesive spray. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. You see how it's coming up? Now I had glued it down like last week. It's still a little sticky. I don't have time to like redo all of that like I normally would like to. I tapped it with some alcohol a minute ago. And I'm not doing nothing like that's gonna have me super hot or strenuous tonight. It's cool down here, so my wig should be straight. Alright, so I'm about to hurry up, get ready. And I had a full day today too. Like, I've been at work all day. No, I don't feel like taking my lashes off. Knock it with the drop. Knock it with the drop. Knock it. For my contour, y'all, I just used the Fenty Beauty. I think it's the contour stick in the color Truffle. It's Truffle, huh? Yeah, it's Truffle. And then to highlight, I just used the LA Girl Warm Honey. And I used Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's number 2, 3. Girl, we don't even know what number it is no more. I think it was 2 though, to highlight. Highlight the glow stuff. Alright, I usually like to mix my matte gold deposit highlight and my by Mario highlight when I'm being extra. I'm being extra tonight. And I was talking to one of my friends. She told me like I always do the same look. I'm like, oh, you dog. She was like, yeah, you need to change something up. So I was talking to another makeup artist also. She was like, yeah, she was like, you keep your skin the same. She was like, but just, you know, maybe add like a little, do something different with your blush or something like that. So the other night I went out, I actually did do something different with my blush. And I think I'm going to try it again tonight. Just because I'm going for like, you know, a bit of a warm look. Not too warm, but some warm. So this is a palette I got from BH Cosmetics super long ago. Just put a little. Ooh. Just a little, girl. I feel like my mama with that on. You need a little rouge on your cheeks. No, you don't. You make it look, oh, girl, I look like Mrs. Claus. See, that's why I don't do that. What is the bronzer? Beam me up, Scotty. I'm gonna go in with my Studio Fix, tighten this up. Mute out some of that gravy. And I don't really have not much else, like a lot else to do to my hair. I'm really just gonna like tap my roots right quick and then you know, press it to make it even. And I'm gonna hit my brows and make my little beauty moves too. I'm so excited about my clothes too. I had caught Fashion Over 40% off sale. I got a couple of really cute dresses to pick from. Only thing is the weather said it's like 58 degrees, I think, down here. And it's like, girl, a hot girl gotta stay warm, you know. So I don't wanna be outside and my dress too short. But they did have this really cute, like, I don't want to say emerald. Emerald make it sound like it was really emerald, but it was like this green dress and it was long sleeve, but it had this cute little slit on it. And so that's the one I'm most excited about. I actually want to try that. I had tried to wear the shoes that I bought to go with it a couple weeks ago to my family Christmas party. I have the shoes in gold, so I thought I was gonna be able to, you know, put them on and go, hey, baby, when I tell you, them shoes said you thought. That's what happened. You thought you was going to do that. But you not. Really not. And I didn't. I had to change my shoes. But I kind of want to wear them tonight. We're going to see them. Just make it look rich. All right, so the song that's playing right now, y'all, it have Andre 3000 on it, right? Funny story. I met him this year. And it was on some like really fly-by-night random type stuff. Maybe kind of weird too. So let me tell y'all what happened. Me and my friend, we were leaving the hostel. I had to go get like, I don't know, something for work. I don't know. But I was leaving the hostel and there's this street in New Orleans. It's it's called Bayou Road. They have a lot of like black owned shops, stores, like they got a church over there, like a lot of little shops or whatever, right? So we riding down Broad and we crossing Bayou Road. And I told my friend, I'm like, girl, look at Andre 3000. But I'm being funny because you see this black dude with this turban on his head, glasses, you know, big pants or whatever. And as we get close, I'm like, no, bitch, that's really him. That's really him. Man, your girl parked the car, got out and was like, excuse me. And at first he ain't turned around, but I was like, Andre. He turned around and he looked and he ended up he walked towards me and I'm like, what the hell is Andre 3000 doing in New Orleans, right? So he walked up close and I was like, what you doing here? Never thought to introduce myself, never thought to say hi, how are you, nothing. He was like, hey, he was like, how you doing, what's your name? I'm like, sorry, I'm Amber. I'm from New Orleans. How you doing? I'm excited to see you. But what you doing in New Orleans? And so he told me he had a show that night at the Singer. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. I hadn't heard about it. Which I think, you know, with him playing the flute and stuff, different people probably hadn't heard about it. Or it could have just been like how it was marketed, maybe. Because I truly just didn't hear about the concert. But it was like, oh, and he told me too, he was actually at a record store on Bayou Road, a black owned record store, which I thought was super dope. And he just, you know, was walking through the neighborhood. Another, I guess, like little fun fact or whatever. That one day I tried to go to Peaches, right? Which is the big record store here in New Orleans. Everybody go to Peaches. Like, it's something everybody know about. Man, I went in Peaches. some of them records, and I'm talking about vinyl records, y'all, for like the record players. Some of the records, most of the records in there was at least $50. It was another record store I went to on Magazine before I went to Peaches, and a lot of those records was like 37, 38, something like that. All right, something told me, man, go to the black owned record store. I got to the store, y'all. I got D'Angelo Brown Sugar for $25. I got the Miseducation of Lauryn Hill for $27. And I got Frankie Beverly Live at the Singer in New Orleans for, I think, $28, $29. So worth it. Like, so happy that I saw him that day and that he told me it was a record store over there too. Because now that I'm into my vinyls, it's like, oh, now I got somewhere I could go to get them, you know. So, yeah, that was my fun story. I don't know if y'all know the song that's playing, but it's 16 ain't enough. When 16 ain't enough. I kind of like that little puff up though. All right, I'm going to leave that like that. I'm going to go ahead and put my dress on. Something out this fashion overhaul. Y'all, look. I'll find something to wear. Alright. It's a cute little Fashion Nova one too. Nothing too special. I had this other dress on that was really cute, but it came up to like right here and it's like 50-something degrees outside. I would have been cold. So this is it. See y'all. Y'all have a good night, okay? Well, a good whatever when I post this video, but have a good one.
Oh, let's go, Al.